Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Hey guys, today I'll be reviewing Vidasha, a powerful app that lets you create exciting and professional looking videos in any niche, genre, or style with just a few clicks. You can make long form videos, shorts, reels, ads, and more all in just minutes without a budget or a production team. Let's dive in. Now, what is Vidasha? Vidasha is an AI powered desktop software that generates videos for you, complete with voiceovers, scripts, visuals, and images. Everything is handled in one place. You can use it for any topic or niche, and I'll show you how it works. So, Vidasha is a desktop app. So, it's not cloud based, which means it doesn't depend on internet speed, making it more stable and accessible. So to start, I will put the link in the description below and you can download it on your software or your Windows or Mac. So just click on the link and install it. So once you have downloaded the Vidasha app, so click on it and log in with your email and password. But if you're not registered, click on create an account and follow the steps. So I already have an account, so I'll just put in my email ID and password. Click on login. And there you go. So once you log in, here you can see the dashboard of Vidasha. So it says welcome to Vidasha, and you have here watch videos. So you can watch training videos. And down here you have recent videos, daily videos, history, etc. Now next, on the left side, you have here create video. So click on create video on the left side and you'll see three different creation modes. So you have right here one click create. This is the most automated option. So just give it a short prompt and let the AI handle everything. So next you have create with AI. Here you'll guide the AI step by step and still have creative control. This one is the most powerful and we'll use this one. Next, I have my script. So if you already have a full script, you can upload it here and Vidasha will turn it into a video. Now let's walk through each one, starting with create with AI, since it gives us a nice balance of automation and customization. Click create. The first thing you will do is enter a topic. So right here in the prompt box, just type in your prompt. For example, how to create a faceless YouTube channel. Next, under that, you can select the video duration. So you have 15 seconds to 5 minutes. So I'm gonna click on up to 1 minute for the sake of this tutorial. And then right here you have the aspect ratio. So you have for YouTube, for TikTok, 9 by 16, and you have the square one, and again 16 by 9. And next, you have the AI models. So you can choose from these AI models. You have Jupyter 4.1 Mini, Jupyter 4.1, Claude, Gemini, Grok. So you have tons of AI models that you can choose from. And then down here, you can toggle show captions on and off. You can even preview the caption down here. So it's looking very nice. And then if you want to change the captions, just click on this gear icon right here. This is the caption settings. So you can change the font style. You can import custom font. You have the font size. You can change the font size if you want. You have the font color, show text border, border width, and border color. So you can customize it, and if you're done, just click on save. And after that, click on proceed down here. And now it's time to choose your AI voiceover. So you can use OpenAI's voices. So it's built in, no extra setup. And right here you have 11 Labs integration. So for more voice variety, just enter your voice ID. But for this video, I'll choose OpenAI. And here, choose a language, of course, English. And down here, you have special instructions. So, like, for example, speak fast, speak in German accent, be a cool teenager, You can write as detailed as you want as per Vidasha, and down here you can choose a voice. So you have random, so Vidasha will pick for you, or you can choose from these AI models. So let's hear it.
Hi, I'm Alloy. I'm smooth, confident, and perfect for documentaries. Choose me. I bring story.
Hey there, I'm Ash. Chill, natural, and expressive. For a relaxed tone with clarity, pick me.
Hi, I'm Coral, bright, bubbly, and upbeat. I'm perfect for. This is Echo, crisp, articulate, and clear. If precision is your priority, I'm the one. Greetings, I'm Fable. I sound like a storybook, perfect for fantasy, fairy tales, and fun. Choose me. Hi, I'm Nova, energetic. Hi, I'm Shimmer, playful, light, and curious.
I think I like this one better, Echo. So I'm just gonna click on it and click on proceed. Now Vidasha writes a complete script based on your topic, and it's surprisingly good. Structured, engaging, and to the point. So you'll see a full breakdown. You have intro, main points, and the outro. You can edit the script also right here before proceeding, and once satisfied, hit next or proceed. So I think I'm satisfied with this one. So I'm just gonna click on proceed. Next, you have to choose your background music. So Vidasha offers a library of music tracks you can preview and use, or you can upload your own audio file. It's great for branding or using your favorite track. Now, pick the one that fits your video's mood and click next. Now, this is where Vidasha shines. So it takes your script and breaks it into scenes, then automatically generates matching images or visuals using AI. Then select which AI model you want to use. So you have Flux, which costs only 8 credits, and you have Google Imagen 4, 85 credits, Jupyter Images 1, 135 credits, and you have ideogram as well, which costs 80 credits only. So I'm gonna choose Flux for this tutorial. Then down here you have image style, you have realistic, hyper realistic, etc. Down here you have your scenes and narration. So if you want to edit the prompt of visuals, so you can click on this pencil icon right here. Just click on it and you can edit the prompt yourself. And then here you have narration. So if you want to edit it, click on the pencil icon on the right side and you can edit the narration. You can also click on regenerate, so it will regenerate the scenes if you want to, but I'm good with this, so let's click on proceed. And now it's creating the visual. So let's wait for a moment. Oh, it's actually very fast. So by default, the visuals are static images, but here's the best part, you can bring them to life. So you've got two choices. So you can add motion effects like you have zoom pan, slow pan, zoom out, zoom in, pulse, corner fly in, corner fly out, slow zoom in, slow zoom to top left, etc. etc. So I'm gonna click slow zoom in and click on done. Then right here you can update transition. So if you click on it, you have here fade, wipe left, wipe right, slide left, circle open, dissolve, radial, slide up, etc. Or you can use the full AI animation. So up here you have animate. So click here for animation. If you click on it, just enter a prompt to animate the image. So for example, just type in an action prompt. So I have a prompt right here. And then choose AI model. You have VO2, which costs 1000 credits per second, Kling 1.6, which costs 200 credits, Kling version 2.1, 100 credits. You have Cdance 1 Lite, which costs 75 credits per second, and you have Minimax Video 01, 1000 per video credits, and you have Minimax Hello 02, which only costs 160. So I'm gonna go with Cdance 1 since it costs less, and let's choose the duration. You have 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Let's go with 10 seconds and click on animate. So it's animating. Let's wait for a moment. And you have right here edit. So if you click on it, you can enter the prompt to edit the image. So I have a prompt right here, paste it in. So it will just cost me 85 credits. Let's click on modify image right here. And it's modifying the image. Then you have here the upload option and the download option. So if you want to download the visual separately, just click on download at the top right. And there we go, the animated clip is now ready. So the result is fantastic. Just look at that. Now, if you want to change a specific image or line, no problem. Just click the pencil icon in here next to any visual or narration, and you can rewrite the scene, change the image prompt, reselect visuals, adjust timing. It's all done visually in a drag and drop click to edit interface. So once everything looks good, click on proceed down here, and Vidasha starts generating your final video. So rendering usually takes under a minute, and once ready, you'll be able to preview the video, download in one click, or store it in your gallery for later use. So super smooth, right?
Starting a faceless YouTube channel is an exciting way to create content while maintaining your privacy. Whether you prefer to stay behind the scenes or simply want to focus on your content rather than your appearance, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to launch a successful faceless YouTube channel. First, choose your niche carefully. Since your face won't be part of your videos, your content needs to be highly engaging and valuable. Popular faceless channel niches include animation, gaming, tutorials, product reviews, top 10 lists, and narrated storytime videos. Pick something you're passionate about and that can attract a loyal audience. Next, plan your content strategy. Create a content calendar to map out what videos you will produce and when you'll upload them. Consistency is key on YouTube, so plan a schedule that is sustainable for you. Remember, the quality of content should always outweigh quantity. Now focus on creating your videos. Since your face won't be on camera, you'll need alternative visual tools. Screen recordings, animated graphics, slideshow presentations, or stock footage can all serve as great visual elements. You can record your voice to narrate or add text-to-speech tools if you prefer anonymity. Use free or affordable video editing software like DaVinci Resolve, HitFilm Express, or even mobile apps to put your footage together professionally. Audio quality is crucial in faceless videos. Invest in a good microphone and record in a quiet space to ensure clear and crisp sound. Clean, well-paced narration keeps viewers engaged even without a visible personality. Don't forget to optimize your videos for discoverability. Use relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. Create eye-catching thumbnails that hint at the content inside while maintaining a consistent style to build brand recognition. Engage with your audience through comments and community posts to build a loyal following. Responding to questions and feedback can help create a sense of connection despite the lack of a face-to-face presence. Monetization is the final step. Once you meet YouTube's eligibility criteria, apply for the YouTube Partner Program to start earning from ads. You can also explore sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling merchandise to increase your revenue. In summary, launching a faceless YouTube channel involves choosing the right niche, planning your content, leveraging engaging visuals, prioritizing audio quality, optimizing for search, and actively engaging your audience. With dedication and creativity, you can build a thriving channel while remaining anonymous. Ready to start your faceless YouTube journey? Hit record, stay consistent, and watch your channel grow.
Now, if you want to go even faster, let's click on one-click create mode. So here's how it works. Just like what we did before, so enter a short idea or story, then choose the video duration. Let's choose 2 minutes. The aspect ratio 16:9. AI model, I'm gonna choose Gemini for this one. For the image AI, let's choose Google Imagen 4. And language, of course, English. And the audio AI, I'm gonna choose OpenAI. And then let's click on proceed. So Vidasha handles everything from scriptwriting, visuals, voiceover, music, subtitles, timing. So it's ideal if you just want a quick, faceless video with no manual steps. Now, if you've already written a full script, maybe for a sales pitch, a blog post, or a client, so you can click I have my script. And then you can paste your script, choose your voiceover, visuals, background music, and hit generate. So this is perfect for repurposing existing content into a video form.
In a quiet, distant kingdom, an unexpected ruler emerged, a cat named Whiskers.
This feline wasn't just any pet. Whiskers inherited the throne after the last monarch left no heir. Known for his calm demeanor and keen instincts, Whiskers quickly won the hearts of the people. His days were spent lounging on ornate cushions, yet his presence brought peace and prosperity. The court adapted to their unique king, where royal decrees were occasionally punctuated by a gentle purr. Whiskers proved that leadership isn't about power alone, but kindness and wisdom. Legends say that under the reign of the Cat King, the kingdom blossomed like never before, reminding us all that sometimes destiny comes in the most unexpected forms. This is the tale of the cat who inherited a throne.
So that's how easy it is to create video with Vidatia. So next, head over to my videos tab to see everything we've created. So from here, you can save the video, view the video, and delete video. You also have here in the next tab animations. So here you can see the animated clips. You have here animation tests. So here you have transactions. So if you want to buy more credits, click on buy more at the top and you can choose the credit amounts that you want. You have here settings, so you can change the app language. You have English, and you can also change the theme. If you want light, choose light. If you want dark, you can choose dark. But I'm going to stick with light. And here are all the Vidasha training videos, and you have sign out and exit. So Vidasha is hands down one of the most user-friendly and complete AI video generators I've seen. So whether you're a content creator, marketer, YouTuber, or a total beginner, this tool saves you time, effort, and editing stress. So you can pump out videos for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, even training content or client work all in minutes. So if you want to try Vidasha, check out the link in the description below. So what do you think? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe. Introducing Articleize. Turn anything into a quality article with just one click. Be it YouTube video, Facebook post, Reddit post, LinkedIn post, AI content, etc. Get traffic in any niche with content that catches the latest topics, trend, and keywords. It comes with powerful AI editor, works in any language, generates images, create articles from the social web, and easy to use. Create fresh and original articles that Google loves to rank. Post your articles to WordPress or Tumblr with one click. Rank for AI search like Google and ChatGPT by powering your content with Quora and Reddit. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Articleize now. Just go to getarticleize.in.